How to clean bathtub. How to clean a bathtub. How to clean the bathtub. Welcome to this channel for all things home and living for modern women, making your life simple and elegant. My name is Florence at Straka.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean bathtub with a simple hack. Are you ready? Let's go. You need your sponge, you need a scrubbing brush, I need a gloves, and let's just start. So with my tiles, I use Kaboom. This is very effective. So I shake this and I'm just going to spray all around as that is soaking in. Alright, and then we're just gonna let this sit a little bit, and you can see when it's taking the stains. Once the stains is gone, you see it changes color. Instead of the blue, it will change to white. Now, before I clean the actual bathtub, I'm going to scrub the tiles first so everything drains in here, and then I'll show you the trick of cleaning your bathtub, taking all the scum. But we'll start with the tiles from the top. So to start scrubbing, I dip my brush in a warm water, and then I just start scrubbing. can see, from the top down first, we're just gonna rinse that out. Just drop the water in there and then we'll just rinse it out. That's simple, very easy. Alright, that's so easy way, and that is clean. And then we're just gonna use a wet towel. So using a wet towel, and what we are going to do is just wipe. Just wipe it down. You can let it drain on its own as well. But since we are going to be working here, alright, and then wipe this down just from the top and the side here. And just be careful because they're going to be having water on the floor because of the size. Not everything is inside the bathtub. So just keep a wet towel and wipe those off as well. In the side. Put the way down here. Alright, and now we just wipe this floor. Okay. Alright, now to start with, at the bathtub under 5 minutes, I use Gain soap to clean it. It makes life so easy. And first, just wet the bathtub. Alright, it's wet. And then just spray some of this in here. Okay, once you spray, just start scrubbing, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So now we are done. Just start scrubbing. And remind you, see how much scum we have, soap scum and all that? And you're gonna see the magic of this using this Gain soap. just rinse. Once that is done, you just wipe it off. Just let it rinse out. Alright. Now just wipe everything down. Wipe the sides here all down. You have soap, water on the floor, just wipe it all down. All this done. And then just clean the water on your floor, which I'm doing right now. Clean the water out. So when you are doing this, make sure you don't have your bathroom rugs on the floor. Take everything off the floor on your tiles. Now we just make sure everything is clean and wiped out. And wash your things. Make sure our scum soap is gone. All right, what do you think? Just want to make final things that should be gone. Alright, and we just clean our bathtub. Made it so clean. Take a look. Alright, so we just finished cleaning our bathtub. It looks so nice, clean, neat. And then if we take a look at our top here, you can see all the way to the top. Right there, everything is clean. Our chrome is looking neat and nice now. Look at that. And then look inside the bathtub itself. Clean and nice. Beautiful. Then we go around, you can see all that is clean. And then the top, look at the chrome that we just clean up. Our tiles is looking good. And then this side also is all clean up all the way down. Look at that. We just did this under 10 minutes. This is perfect. You can see it's clean, and all by using this pack. In this video, I just showed you how to clean bathtub or a bathtub or the bathtub. So I hope this video helps you. If you want to know how to unclog your drain or how to clean your drain buildup, I have a video on that will show you exactly what to do when you have a clogged drain or when you have a clogged buildup in your faucet. Watch that next video. That will help you how to clean a faucet buildup. And so I hope this video helps you. Hope to see you on my next one. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. Share, like, comment. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.